It's a winter wonderland outside today, but we need to go unbox anyway. Yeah, we need to head down to the basement and see what we can find as we are liquidating our own estate. Hi everyone, I'm Vickie.
And I'm Mark.
Welcome to our channel. We're avante-attic, and what we're doing is liquidating
our own estate.
Just a little bit, if you can see all the things behind us. Are you ready for this? We have my stuff, Mark's stuff, inherited stuff, resale stuff. We have stuff. Are you ready? What do we have? Well, there's the first stack. Mostly personal, maybe a few things that are craft supplies and things, but a few items in here that we want to resell and go through. Just a few. And we have this stuff. Yes, we do. And stuff. So we invite you to subscribe to our channel and watch our videos as we progress through liquidating our own estate. Today we're going to go through two more boxes that we pulled out a couple weeks ago and get those items listed on eBay. We're going to go through them though a little closer this time. We also have something exciting to tell you. We sold 2 items already in our eBay store. Did pretty good.
Yeah, very good.
Pretty happy about that. So we'll show you that in this video too. So let's get this camera turned around, go grab a couple of boxes off the shelf, and we'll show you what's in them and we'll get them listed on eBay. Let's get started.
What are you waiting for?
You?
Okay.
They're the top 2 boxes. Will you help me, please? Can you carry one? Oh.
This one's light.
That one's light? All right. Box number 1.
And this one?
Box number 2.
Box number 2.
And guess who gets to photograph all of these?
Me.
Yes, that would be Mark. He gets to photograph them, but I have to do all the listing and the packing and the shipping, right?
But I get to do all the photographs.
Yep. This first box says Vintage Kitchen and Tins. I kind of think I remember what's in it from a couple weeks ago, but let's take another look. Let's see what we've got. Crayons. I do remember.
That's not a tin.
No, it's not. And I don't know if there's any value in this or not. You know, these are what I thought were vintage crayons. We'll see. I have to do a little research. They might just get donated, so who knows. You know, it's between selling on eBay, donating, or, I don't know, Facebook Marketplace. Now, this has some value. This is a red painted enamel chopper, nut chopper. I don't know. What is the brand on here? I don't see anything.
There's
not
something
really.
Down there.
It's in fairly good condition. So we'll get this listed on eBay. I'm guessing about $25 for it. We'll see. Oh, I have another one. Now this one looks even older. Look at that. With the aluminum top. It's got a wood red knob. Nice little handle. You don't see handles on them very often. I don't see anything but a number on the bottom. This might be worth maybe about $30. But I'll be researching everything before I list it. I always check sold comps on eBay. Now this is what Mark was doing the dance to, doing the mashed potato. Mark was actually correct about this. It actually is a potato masher ricer, meaning it turns little potato chunks into rice-like pieces. And he was doing the mashed potato to it, you know, on the last video. I don't know what these are worth. I don't know. What do you think? Maybe, Mark, what's your guess? What's your guess?
$895.
Yeah, right. $8.95. No, maybe about $30, $40. I'm hoping. We'll find out. This lunchbox makes me think of my dad. Not that he carried one exactly like this, but he did carry a lunchbox every single day. And one thing my dad would often do is leave a little piece of something from his lunch for me. Yes, he would bring his lunchbox home and there'd be a little something, a little treat in there. And so whenever I see a little old lunchbox, I think of my dad and those memories. So I do think it's time to part with this though. And I'm guessing it's probably worth about $25 to $30. Let's see, does it have a brand? Yes, it's Thermos brand products out of Norwich, Connecticut, USA. So definitely vintage. Let's see what the inside looks like. Not too bad.
Nice and clean.
I wish I had a thermos to fit it. That'll get listed. Spice tins and a little recipe box. This is metal. It's It's kind of rough, but hey, it was only 25 cents to begin with, so can't expect too much. It's very yellowed. I don't know. This one is pretty bad shape. I might put it at about 15 to 20 and see what happens. I always put make offer on everything. And spice tins, these old metal ones, can be worth a little bit of money. So we've got sesame seed, pumpkin spice, chili powder. That one's pretty rusty. Jerky, ground nutmeg. People like to decorate with these. Black pepper, cloves. Still has cloves in it. I don't think I want to use them though. Sesame seed and more cloves. That one's empty. But anyway, these are good little vintage decorations. I might sell them all as a lot. Now this, remove that box. These could be hard for me to let go of. Why is that? Because I see, what do I see? Jello molds. I'm always collecting these Jello molds because I think I'm going to craft with them. Anyone that knows me knows that I like to collect these Jello molds. It might be time to let go of a few. These are little bunny imprinted molds. These would be good to get listed for Easter. Miniature little bundt pans or miniature angel food cake. I don't know if you can see them very well through the plastic, but they're like a little mini angel food cake pan. These are copper, and I think they all have different patterns. That's cherries, that's a little flower design. I have no idea what these are worth. Little miniature baking pans. These remind me of something I had with my Easy Bake Oven. Did you have an Easy Bake Oven? I think most little girls did, and that's what these remind me of. More Jello molds, little bundt pan design. Miniature Christmas trees. By the way, these are good for making little Rice Krispie treats too. Wouldn't that be good, Mark? I love those. A couple of biscuit cutters with red handles. Whenever you have items with red, from this fork that jumped out of my box to anything with red, just like the nutcracker here, the nut chopper, it adds value to it. People associate red with vintage and with retro. A little star mold, some miniature heart molds, some more copper, tiny little bread pans. Look at that. It's like a little 3-inch little mini bread pan. Those are cute.
Bite size.
Yeah, bite size for you. A couple of cookie cutters. Another wood red handled utensil. It looks like it's a bottle opener.
Can opener.
Can opener?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I don't know if I'd know how to use that.
I do know how to use that.
I don't see any name on it.
Being
This
that I'm a little older than you.
looks like, oh, what is that? That's kind of a wood darning needle, I think, of some sort. I don't know. What do you think that is? Any idea?
I'm clueless.
I don't know. Anybody know? Leave us a comment if you know what this is. So this little box had a lot of items in it. Let me get these put back in this little box and we'll go on to the next one. Box number 2 also says vintage tins. I really don't know. We'll find out. Let's see. Let's take a peek. Oh yeah, I'd say it's tins. Let's go through these. Some more little molds.
Imagine that. More Jello molds.
Aluminum Jello molds. Well, they're not just for Jello. You could actually bake in these too if you wanted to. Again, I'll have to research the value of these. I'll set stuff here. This is not vintage. It's a modern candle holder, candle tray. Kind of doubt it has much value. The sifter might have, it's Bromwell's measuring sifter, guaranteed to sift, I guess. Has a little red wood handle. Let's see if it works. It does, but I have to tell you, I wouldn't want to use that for my flour. Even if it's washed up, I don't think I'd want to use this. But people decorate with these.
I used to play with my mom's flour sifter.
Did you help her bake?
Sometimes. I used to play with my mom's flour sifter.
Did you actually bake anything?
Well, I sometimes tried to help, but I was probably more of a hindrance.
Or did you just want the baked goods?
I just wanted what came out of the oven.
You're making me shake the camera on that one. That's funny. Yeah, I bet you do. I bet you just wanted the cookies.
Cookies, bread, cakes, pie.
Anything that Mom makes is always the best, right? Yep. All right, we got to get back to this box. But now you make me want to go upstairs and bake something.
Okay, back to the box.
This is Avenex, Ovenex. And you can tell just by looking at it how old this is. I've always loved this pattern. I don't know what they call this. It's kind of a diamond cut or a sunburst pattern. I love it.
Echo.
Oh, there, that's what I
USA.
was looking for. Echo. I knew there was a brand on it somewhere. Pattern's really cool. Let me show you some more. I used to decorate with these above my kitchen cabinets at the holidays, but I don't do as much decorating as I used to. Now this one is also avante-attic, which must mean it is Echo brand. See how pretty that is? Sparkly. So three sizes of bread pans.
I can smell the bread coming out of the oven.
Now this is like a little brownie pan. Bake Rex, R-E-X. Is that what the other one said? Bake Rex? No, avante-attic they said.
Baker X.
Baker X? Where's the...
B-A-K-E-R-E-X. Baker X.
Baker Rex, however you want to say it. But that's a nice little brownie pan. Brownies.
Ooh.
I need to make our 1912 brownies. Best recipe. If you don't know I have another channel, I'm going to put in a plug. Thrifty Recipes. And I have a recipe there for 1912 brownies because it came out of a 1912 cookbook.
Lowney's Brownies.
Lowney's Brownies. Okay, you gave away the cookbook. Thanks, Mark.
No.
Lowney's Brownies.
Okay, we can cut that out.
But, I'm trying to claim them as my own. Anyway, check out Thrifty Recipes. All right, back to work. I am going to make brownies today, though. I am. Let's see. This is like a fruit strainer.
It's a seeder made to push the tomatoes. It's
Tomatoes?
Yeah, when you're making tomato sauce or juice,
Okay.
you can put your blanched tomatoes in there and run that around, and it squeezes the pulp through, and it leaves the seeds in the screen.
Okay. Has a little wood handle. This time it's green. It's, I don't know. We want to wash these or sell them as they are? It's hard to say. I don't know.
I don't want to wash them.
I don't want to wash them either. Some more Jello molds. Paid
Look
$1.
at that.
Paid $1. Maybe I can let go of some. This is a little, I love this sifter. I used to decorate with this a lot. The little apples on it. Again,
What's it
Bromwell's with the apples, and it should have a red handle, but it's just a little wood handle. I don't know what these are going for. Probably $20, $25. And some more of this. No, this is different. These were the diamond pattern, and this is a waffle pattern. This is avante-attic. Do you see any other names on there? I can't read it. They're too dirty. Too old. But 2, 4, 6, 8, 6 muffin pan. Oh, I've got 2 of these. 2 of the large ones. This is an unusual shape. They don't make them like this anymore.
That's why they're vintage.
That's right. And then the large 12 cupcake holder. I always think of these as cupcake holders, biscuit holders, muffin pans.
Echo.
And the last thing in the box, I forgot where I had stored this. I might actually keep. I had forgotten about the star that I had stored somewhere, apparently here. And I think this would be a nice little decoration to add to my Christmas vignette in the kitchen. So I don't know. This one might be a keeper. Might be. Don't give me that look.
It's a definite maybe.
Don't give me that look. But keep watching here. We're going to show you 2 items that sold, maybe more by the time this video comes out, of what sold from our last unboxing. What sold on eBay. The first thing I like to do is to wrap it in some tissue paper, and I take my big square of tissue paper by the corner and run my hand through it to make this long piece, and then I'm going to wrap it around. I am a little concerned about the ears and how delicate those are. I have a piece of swimming pool noodle. I might just put a little piece inside of each of these. There, she has earrings, sort of. Let's wrap this around. I'm just using regular tape. Okay. We have her little tail to protect as well. Let's see if I can just put a little hole in this piece of styrofoam. I made a star type cut on this to fit around her tail. And the same thing with another sheet of tissue paper, just running my hand from the corner. Regular tape. Let's add 1 more sheet of tissue paper. This is a square of 1/2 inch large bubble wrap. Let's see if this works. And now I'm just using some 2-inch wide masking tape. I laid it on the diagonal and I'm taping up all 4 corners. Let's take a measurement. I have a box that's 7 by 5 by 5. I think this will work. Let's do a test fit. I have a little bit of extra room in here. Using another sheet of bubble wrap on the diagonal. I still have some room left over. Rolling under the ends. I still have room left over. That might do it. Let's check it out. Feels good. Let's finish it off with tape. I always cross tape the top and the bottom and put a little piece of tape on the corner seam of the box. It's good to go. I like to put the first and last initial of the name, dash, and the state. This little portal is going out to SG in Washington. Let's get it in the mail. Using the same technique, I'm going to take the corner and run my hand down through the tissue paper. And let's wrap this around, starting with the little head. Again, just regular tape. Let's do the other one. I'm going to cut this sheet of tissue paper in half and wrap each one again. I listed these as first class mail, so I'm going to start with some small bubble wrap because I need to keep the weight down. Again, on the diagonal, just roll it using my masking tape, fold in each end. Let's repeat the process for the other one. Okay, what do we need for this? I'm going to use an 8 by 6 by 4 box. It's an eBay box. Have some recycled bubble wrap here. I can't really tell which is the top or the bottom anymore. I think I have them upright. Let's add some more bubble wrap. I'm going to tuck it around all the sides. And I do need to fill these sides in a little more. I recycle tissue rolls and make sure all the tissue is off, putting one on each side so it doesn't move around. I still think I need a half sheet on top. That looks good to go. I'm going to add a little thank you label, and I do believe I forgot to put one on the other package. I have to put it on the outside. So this is our unboxing today, our haul, our vintage haul. There's a lot here, a lot more than I thought was in this box, and we're going to have to get all this cleaned up a little bit and photographed and listed on eBay. Well, not that one. That's a keeper. No, don't say a word. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. We do have a lot of work ahead of us.
A lot of photographing.
A lot of listing on eBay. Thanks for watching, everyone. We do invite you to subscribe. I'm Vicki.
And I'm Mark.
And we are liquidating our own estate. See you soon. Bye.